Hey guys, we're nuking servers. Hold on, let me get this, bro.
Watch this.
Got him.
Give me.
I know where they are.
No,
Oh, no.
no, someone said they
Back
know
up.
where we are. Oh, trust me. No. If they, we need to check if they come though, because if they do, then I can easily just sneak them.
There's someone by the selling machine. Kill him. There's someone by the selling machine.
Yeah, get another RPG, bro. We need to have more fun than this.
No.
Yo, meet at the selling machine. I need to say something to. Yo, he wants to have 3 shotguns. I promise you this time. I'm in mines right now. I'm in mines.
Hide. So if they look up here, they can't. Hide. Go back. So if they look up here, they can't see you.
I'm hidden enough.
I think everyone's leaving. Oh wait, they're adding bombs and stuff.
Oh my god, he's got bombs!
Who?
There's 2 RPGs, mate. He's got 2 RPGs! Yo,
Hide. Get behind here. Get behind here. Get behind
No,
here.
we need to take cover. Take cover.
Yeah, back here.
You've been griefing my
I also have these too.
Yeah.
Well,
Dude, you just scared me so bad.
Joe, we might need to switch server.
Yeah.
They're getting really bored already.
No, because if more people leave, then...
Yeah, a lot of people are leaving.
Wait, there's someone there. He was not expecting that. Oh, wait. Oh, snap. Oh, no. Yo. Oh, you left.
They took us.
He left.
Oh no, he took our stuff.
Haha, they're buckaroo. Yeah. Come here. Oh, no. Dang it, I missed.
wait, let me do my fast sight. I hate it though. Babu!
Yes!
Why?
I finally got it.
I don't have a flashlight?
Shotgun. No way! It's loaded!
Come on. What's the minus?
Me.
Come on, what's the minus? Come on.
Sybil, we have to go into a different server.
Can I have one of those?
Sybil, he's got our stuff. There, look, him.
Okay. You already got
Yeah.
enough.
What the? Guys?
Okay, buy 2 this time. Buy 2.
I did
Just fill 'em up.
Take it.
Okay, join the server. Try and join this another server.
Nah,
Sigma
bro.
Okay.
boy, Sigma boy,
Bro, you got
Sigma
shot.
boy. Hashtag chicken go with the boy.
Oh, I need a
Sigma
shotgun.
boy. Guys, I
You
have
have a book
legs
bag on.
now.
You have a book bag.
I'm a good boy now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. I thought we're joining a different server.
I'm already up here, bro. Get up here.
Alright.
Okay, there's 2 RPGs in there. dump out all the ammo.
Okay, we got a few.
I shot it inside of the main lobby. Doesn't kill them, but it's pretty funny because they freak out. Okay, so someone's just playing with the RPG. Wait, should I give out our location so they try to come to kill us?
Yeah.
Alright. Guys, we're by forest. We're on top of the forest thing. Come and get us. Try to come and kill us. We have RPGs.
We've got very bad weapons. We've both got sticks and crowbars. Come and get us.
Bro, I already told them we have RPGs, my guy.
We literally got. I know. I'm just saying, so they feel more tempted.
Oh, yup.
Yep. Right.
Yep, we're dead.
And some toys. I don't know about this.
You're
but-
sure we gotta go into different kinds. Well,
That you?
I'm not here to kill, I swear. Sir. How's the dude from that side?
I just killed my guy.
We good? We good?
Yeah, I just killed that guy. I killed the guy with the heart eyes and the halo. He came up here.
Yeah, he was pretty annoying, anyways. Okay, that's all of our RPG ammo gone.
No, I have it in my bag. There's a guy over there.
Oh my God!
Oh,
It's him!
Coming back down, so stay there. What's Cheyenne? Cheyenne? Are you here? Hello? Cheyenne? You repeat? Hello? Hello?
Bro, how do you not have
What do
Red
you guys
Watch?
want, a flashlight backpack?
Coming back down
No.
to Simmons, okay?
How do you not have Red Watch? You keep.
There's no way out of here. What's Cheyenne?
We chill, bro. We chill.
Yeah. Wait, there's someone in mine. There's someone in
Where's
mine.
mine?
There's someone in mine.
No, I got him. Bro, it's him again. It's him. Bro, take cover.
Yeah,
Bro,
back
he's
up,
gonna
back
explode.
up, back up. Go right here. Yo.
I'm going right here.
Where is he?
We're good for now. Yo, where is this guy?
I don't know. Wait, where's the other RPG? Damn it.
Bro, we need to join a different server.
Stay here. I'm gonna go get the RPG.
Don't kill me.
Kill him.
I come
kill
in
him.
peace.
So we'll kill him. Bro, he's
His
not.
body just tumbling down.
There's someone out.
Get them.
I just killed two people.
Dude, you said that in the mic. You said that. You said that in
Look
the
after
thing.
the
though.
RPG. Look after the RPG. Huh?
You said that in the thing.
Yo, can I borrow an RPG? Can I borrow a shotgun? Can I have one shotgun? Because they're really powerful.
Hold up.
Can I have a shotgun? Can I have a shotgun, bro? Cheers.
Yeah, there's definitely someone in mine. There's someone down here. There's someone down here.
Yo, no, you don't have an umbrella now. Sit him, bro.
Whoa.
Get him. What was that for? Something like that, mate. Wait, he dropped an RPG.
Come on.
He dropped an RPG.
Go. Successful mission. Go. I need a wave. No.
Guys, we got bomb squads up there. No, please.
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Yay!
Oh my god.
Yeah, bro. Bro. I got a shotgun back. Here, here's your shotgun.
Dude, I saw you kill him. I saw you kill him, bro. That was hilarious.
Oh, he's there. Yeah. Bro, what are you doing? You're scaredy cat. Bro, he's a pussy. Ah! Okay, should we go into a different server? Because I feel like this is getting boring. They already know. And they're scared to come out.
Nah, bro. This is where the fun begins, bro.
Oh my god, there's a guy. Oh. He's going to save zone. He's there. Civil. Huh?
I did it for my own safety.
Everybody died. Okay, bro.
Guys, what the heck happened?
Why is
to
it
you?
not ammo? No, it's not ammo.
Leo, get some bullets.
Well, I want
Get
to.
some.
What do you mean by bullets?
bro.
My mic
What do you
is
mean
me.
by bullets?
Why? My mic is me. Oh, there's two in the same outfit. Oh no. This is even confusing me. Oh no.
Everyone who's friends with Sybil, get some grenades and start blowing people up.
Civil, where are you? Civil.
There's two
Oh, you're
different
right
ones. There's literally two of the same person.
No, you
Oh no.
monkey.
They're two different people, but they're the same. They have the same.
Guys, I'm safe. It's Sybil. Safe by the dam. Leo, you still in here?
Civil.
Yeah, what's up?
Where are you?
Wake.
I'm at top of the thing again. Hey, no, what different? Civil, let's join a different. Yo, go on to channel 4.
And then gadgets.
Bro,
Let's
are
see
you
what
an
I have.
idiot? What's all your face?
Yeah.
Hey, Blue.
I have a rope gun.
Oh no.
What is
Do you want
that?
to join a different server and do it?
Okay, what are you?
Something.
This?
It's
Under
something
Yo, what's
like.
good, red
It's
reindeer?
something. So if
On my
you
hand
Oh,
side,
there was
I'm
someone else
forced
that
Yeah,
looked just like you
Okay,
earlier.
that you
I know, that's
aim
my
over
other
there
friend.
with the rope gun, and then it'll
Oh.
show you some
There's
rope
no way.
that you can.
I just have a bunch of
Yo, what's good, Leo?
overfists as well.
Yeah, that's my friend Leo.
I dumped a whole backpack
Leo,
out.
get the
of-
ogre gloves. Get the ogre gloves. Remember how powerful they are?
Oh, I want
go.
to punch people
Yeah, let's go.
too.
Let's go.
No, Civil.
That was hilarious.
Come here, Civil.
Wait. Why are there three of you guys,
oh
bro?
my God,
What the hell?
This is so much fun though, for
Because-
real.
Watch this. Civil.
Wait, why is there more? There's,
Hey,
there's
man,
another.
you stole my fit, bro.
That cat?
Where did this kid come from, bro? Oh, where did this kid come from?
I don't know, but you
Civil,
stole my
Civil.
fit.
Now there's three
Civil,
people
Civil.
wearing the same outfit. Oh no.
No, my headset.
No.
Who wants that? Who wants a mystery bag?
Guys,
Who wants a mystery?
That's
Who wants
what
a
you
mystery
get.
bag?
That's why I don't
Just
impersonate
disconnect.
me.
Alright, little kid, come here.
Yeah, here, wait, move.
Come here.
I'm already here.
Yo,
Oh my
what you
God,
trying
I'm
to do?
lagging. Oh,
So,
no.
Oh my gosh, I
That
found
was
a
so
already
bad.
left.
Special one. So what you want to do? What are you doing?
Bro, this cat right here took all you guys'
What?
stuff.
The, oh my God, that
This-
actually works. Crossbow
This cat right
with
here
the
took all your
overfist.
stuff.
Oh
This
my
cat right here
God,
took all your
bro.
stuff.
Yeah, I bet he did.
Yeah. That's a rule lesson of never do that.
What
I
am I
missed.
doing?
Uh-oh.
What if I do a 360 no scope? I shoot this up in there. I'll
Oh,
do
no.
360 no
Oh
scope.
no.
Frick that. Hurry up,
Watch out. Get in
activate.
safe zone, guys. Get in safe zone. Get in safe zone. Get in safe zone. Jeez, bro.
I'm perfectly fine. He shot it a different direction.
Yeah.
If I would have died, I have a bunch of money anyway.
I'm coming.
You guys last time.
Come on, leave.
Oh, I
There
thought
is
I
a
was. I missed so badly.
Let's all battle each
I'm
other.
gonna do a 360 no scope
Reindeer.
again. I'm doing
Leo.
360 no scope.
Let's all battle each other.
I'm doing my
Okay.
360 no scope.
We don't even damage each other.
Oh, what the heck?
No, bro.
I don't
You
know
can't
how
get
that
out
works,
from me,
but it
Get out away
does.
from me. Get out. Please, bro. Hell no, bro. Get out away from me, bro. Do you not know what that means? Like, ah!
Oh, he's
Oh my
gone.
god! It gone.
Go unlock it, bro.
Are you
Kill me.
absolutely launched me, sir?
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
I don't care if you kill me.
Yo, I'm gonna
Hey
try a
guys,
different.
I'm doing 360
Everyone
no
team up on
scope
the cat.
again.
Team up on the cat. By the water tower. By the water tower
Okay,
now.
the cat. Where's the cat? Where's the
Join
cat?
in?
Where'd it go?
Because they.
How? What is this? I'm a survivor. Oh, you are a survivor.
Water tower. Right here. Get the cat.
No, guys, I'm gonna sell it.
No, come here, bro.
Don't punch him.
Get back here! Oh! You're not
That
even
lag
surviving
actually
now,
made
are
me
ya?
not.
You're not
Bro, he
even
literally.
surviving now.
Oh,
Did he die?
no.
Yeah, I killed him, bro.
Oh,
You guys
someone
could
did
kill me.
kill him. He actually did die from someone.
You guys, when you guys shoot him?
What is going on over here? What the heck?
Get
I had the MRE. I'm gonna pull out the MRE.
On the show.
I'm gonna pull out the MRE.
Here, I'll protect you.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me. I can't move.
No!
I pulled out the MRE.
Leo!
I have an MRE. That's why I'm so fast. Look how fast I am, bro.
Bro, I get
Look how fast I am.
No, oh my god, this kid. Let's go. It's closer to me. Run. You remember Oliver? Do you know Oliver?
I was really fast.
My name is Ben.
You guys want MRE?
Yes.
Hey, Blue!
Oh. Ben? You don't remember?
I'm gonna get really fast. Oh, I'm gonna get
Hey,
fast
why you-
as I can.
Why you taking ogre gloves? Here. Oh, no. Here, you want an ogre glove?
Get Blue.
Look how fast I am,
Not too
bro.
fast, not too fast.
I'm gonna catch up to you guys.
Get Blue.
I might catch a cold because how fast I go. That's a
Gone.
I
Boys, let's go get
cannot be
Blue.
running
Go get Blue,
fast.
go get Blue, guys. Get Blue. Oh, yeah, he's gone. Guys, go get Blue.
Go.
Leo,
Sonic the
Leo, get
Hedgehog,
Blue.
Oh,
Sonic the Hedgehogs! Boom! Out of this shit.
Oh my
Go,
god.
bro, they're right now.
This is war.
I'm getting it.
No.
I can't see, it's so dark. Can't see.
Who did I launch?
May.
I thought I launched Shovel by accident.
Hey, yo, move, move. Oh.
Get him.
He literally just,
Hey, what?
they died, bro. They're just committing suicide over here.
Uh-huh.
You want to see committing suicide?
Oh,
Bet.
I saw that TikTok. His TikToks are funny.
You wanna pet me?
You guys want to see something so cool?
There's several. Do you want to go try it? Never said about.
Are you gonna try to make rocket pancakes?
Where's my number
No,
now?
I'm not making my record.
Guys,
I'm gonna make the RPG. Where's the
oh,
TV?
what's that this? Where's my
Oh,
number?
you're right there?
Can I get to watch my
Oh, that's a
number?
bad idea, bro. You don't
No,
want to
Can I
do that,
watch my
bro.
number?
Oh my god.
You don't want to do
What
that,
the
bro.
hell?
One of the
Oh,
imposter looking ones.
Guys,
oh.
I'm too big.
I'm gonna go punch him. Let's go punch him. Oh, he's tiny.
Nah, go get him.
Please, just
Get him.
I kind of launched a big monkey.
Cyan!
Yo, what?
Where'd he go? Oh my god, I launched him. Oh my god.
Cyan!
Oh shit.
This turned up more. Oh man, this is so much fun, bro.
Who's grappler? Oh, that's not my grappler. What the heck am I thinking? That's his.
Cyan!
No, please.
You want? I'm gonna do some more.
Oh my God,
I'm gonna defend it. So see ya.
Sorry.
Wait, I'm gonna defend you.
Hit the landmine, bro.
I'm gonna defend you, Cyan.
Come on, what's
I was so
Let's
close
go,
to
boys.
dying, I almost
Go get
died,
it,
but
go get
good
it,
thing
let's
I pushed myself.
Oh my
That was a
God.
good thing.
How did I
Oh my god.
How did I kill him? No way.
You guys suck at aiming. You guys have the worst aim ever.
Another fit. Oh.
No, let me show you rowing.
Cyan,
Get out, bro.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I was so close to dying.
God, that's real aim
You
right there.
almost
I'm
killed
sorry.
me.
I'm serious. I'm sorry.
But give me mine. That's mine.
I literally almost died to the RPG. I was right behind you guys and I did not die.
That goofy voice.
To the RPG.
I'm real.
Why are you playing?
You're racist. You call me a black monkey.
I just toasted them all.
What did I punch? Did I punch an item over here?
I don't know.
Yeah, I
Some
did.
more bossy.
I punched a What the hell is going on?
When was he born? The most started yes.
No, I like you guys in the server, bro. It's fun when you guys are in the server, bro.
Yeah.
No shot.
What's up, how?
I was in the-
Yeah, to somebody buy me that, but to somebody buy me that,
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my good man. Oh my good man.
but team buy me that, but to somebody buy me
Wait,
that.
where's all this actual
Somebody buy me that,
There's an imposter in here.
I'm in Among Us. Can you please give me a gold?
That is not Among Us.
Help you.
Yeah, when? When did that?
No, it's not.
When?
Yeah.
Buy me that,
That's Among Us.
I don't have a girlfriend anymore.
Guys, this is not Among Us.
Good thing I don't launch you. 'cause
Among Us Sussy Baka roleplay.
What's up?
I bet you won't go back in there.
Come here, Blue.
he's
Come
straight
here.
up cooked.
I'm gonna punch you.
No, I'm not.
Wait.
Where's he?
Why
Where's
you
he?
trying to
Where's
kill me
he?
with your grenade?
No. So there's this new combo
Look
I
like you're
learned.
trying to.
Look at this new combo I learned. So it's gonna be dynamite sometimes. And it goes,
Oh, I could do that.
Bill. I'll beat you guys with a goddamn pickaxe. Don't make me. Come here. Get over here.
Yeah.
Oh, naughty boy.
Guys, be careful.
Yeah, I hate that.
Dynamite. Oh my god. Look what I did to his body.
Boom. No.
Look what I did to his body over there. Look at his body hanging.
Who
right
killed
there.
him?
Look.
Who killed him? Who killed him?
He's
I'm
not
gonna
dead.
get your
He's
pic.
alive. He's in the VR. He's in the virtual reality.
Still living.
That's literally where he's at, and I wedged his body into. Oh my god. Look what I did to someone's body.
Bro, killing me is like a bad boy.
No shotgun ammo in there.
Nah, but I have shotgun ammo.
I do too.
I have calculated the steps.
RPG, fool!
Can you give me one? Can you give me one? Give me one, please. Give me one.
Oh my god.
Give me one. Kill him.
That was me that did that. That was me.
Boom. What's the outfit? Boom.
Oh my god.
Team by me,
bro.
pick
Come
that.
on,
Team
bro.
by me, that was. Do you have that?
I
Do you have
forgot
that?
Not
What's
really.
an idiot?
Guys,
Huh? How did I kill him? How did I kill him?
I gotta punch this.
Can somebody buy me that, boy?
Bro,
somebody
with that goofy voice, no.
having
Don't me buy me that, get out.
bro, he left with both my RPGs.
Wait,
That's crazy.
Like, it's not like you're about to. With that goofy, put your hands up, sir. Put your hands up, you're under arrest, sir. Put your hands.
Come on, bro. He's literally punching me.
I wanted that,
bro.
I need it. But an idiot.
Well, we
That
could be
RPG,
selling
I
this
wouldn't do
for,
it. I wouldn't do
for
it.
the
I
whole
wouldn't
life
miss
saving.
it.
We could
Yeah, bro, we could be selling everything on this battlefield for money, bro.
Can buy me a dapper? Someone buy me a dapper. My own good.
I like blowing people up with RPG.
I want a
don't think we can
dapper.
sell anymore.
I need a
Hey,
dapper.
Oh, RPG.
Double RPGs, man.
I have a.
Money.
I got a fish.
money.
I'm good at doing it.
It's a dog.
How about we all do it at the same time with 2 RPGs, man? What if we all do it at the same time?
Somebody buy me a
What
dapper.
do we
wants to
do?
get
Oh,
out
wait,
the
guys, what if we all shoot our RPGs at the same time?
Oh,
Somebody buy me a dapper.
Wait, let's shoot all of our RPGs at the same time. Not the same time.
Yo, Bill, Dad,
Oh my god. Dude.
Yo, I feel bad for the dude that had the mission. Guys, nobody
I
kill me. I got
My guy said, nobody kill me.
But he's an idiot.
Bro, I'm just trying to help you guys.
How?
I know an idiot. Shut up.
Let's see.
Blue.
Oh yeah, for what? For what, huh?
Block. There.
I'm a fucking
He's
nuke.
blocked.
How? How is that liable?
I'm just trying to help you
I'm
guys.
putting you for fucking pudding. Good one. Good one, Blue. Can you buy me, let's see him.
You know what?
Wait. Let's see.
Blue, don't run, Blue, run!
Bro, what is Blue doing?
Cankles. Nah, man, come
If
on
you
here.
guys
Come
kill
on here.
Blue, I'm coming after you.
Dang it. He killed
Wait,
me. He
how?
killed me. He killed me.
Boy.
Who killed Blue? Who killed Blue?
The guy with the
Me?
lances. The guy with the
What are you gonna
lances.
do about it?
Well, bro.
Me?
The guy with
What are
the
you gonna do
RPG
about it?
killed me. The guy
Bro,
with the
step
RPG killed me.
outside. Step outside, bro. Step outside, bro.
Boy, you don't have anything to fight. What? Give me that.
I don't need anything to fight. Come on, step outside, bro.
Okay, come on, Mommy. Both eyes season down. Both eyes season down.
Come on, bro. Like, what's up, danger?
What's going on, bro? I don't Wait, Boo, Cyan. Do you want to, can you buy me a dapper? Do you have a dapper? I need one, please.
See, guys,
I only
now
have
you
one.
know
I
why I want to sell those RPGs.
Shit, I know.
What?
Oh my god.
Like that gave you guys 1,000. Oh, he's not. I gotta go.
What happened to my finish? This month. But this
And
is
if
my
we keep repeating this process,
what's in my end battle word? Now I can't.
Pumpkin.
man in the house.
Dumpty
I think so.
dumpty doo.
What's inside? So what?
I don't know.
Can somebody buy me a dapper
It's only
down?
like $30,000.
You get back off to monkey.
Well, got it.
This is a tasty pumpkin.
Bro, you know that's from the flashback.
That.
Don't eat it.
But it is taste.
Just open it. I wish it was a shotgun.
Yeah, but what are you doing in here?
No.
What are that?
Is it actually a pumpkin pop?
This is killing me. Bro, open it. Open it. Please, team, please open it.
Wait, what the Sigma?
Can somebody buy me a dapper?
Oh, bro, this is still so working.
I'm saying
Can
working.
somebody buy me a dapper? What is that?
Let's go.
I got it.
Wait,
Keep
it's-
the change, you filthy animals.
It don't matter, bro. Can somebody buy me a dapper?
Well,
Keep
no one's
the
listening.
time.
Somebody buy me a dapper. Can somebody buy me a dapper? Please. I need one. Can somebody buy me a dapper, please?
Hello, guys. Let me just
Can somebody buy me a
here,
dapper? Oh, Dad.
find it.
No, that's mine. Can I please have it? No, don't. Alright, let's play Russian roulette.
Russian roulette.
Wait.
That's your name, Russian roulette.
This thing goes at like
that's
5
Russian
miles
bombing.
per hour.
Stop.
So that was pretty really slow.
Stop. Alright, my
Russian
Hey,
roulette.
do it. Get here. Yeah, I want it for you. Hey, Bo, I want it for you. I want it for you. Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on, on the couch.
Guma lama.
Come on, on the couch. Come on, we didn't do it on the couch. We tell them.
No.
Bo, I was trying to sleep. I was trying to sleep. Let me sleep.
Weapons. I will shoot you. Oh, he's gone.
Look at this kid. I'm about that.
Bro, what are you doing to him? God damn.
Ow, what happened? I felt my arm. What happened?
Where are you?
Well, what is Bo hitting me? What is Bo hitting me for? What is Bo hitting me for? But can somebody buy me a dapper?
No.
A dapper then?
Don't.
Bo, it's only 4 of them. But it's no more. How
I
am I
go
none of my
hot
friends are on?
Gotta run back. Move! Oh, we
are Russians. Do not.
No, please don't shoot. You killed yourself.
I'm just trying to mind my own business.
If you guys enjoyed this, oh, what the heck? Hey. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.